IAEA Director General Mr. Grossi issued a statement in Vienna to mark the 10th anniversary of Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant accident.
Years ago, the Great East Japan earthquake shook Asia's seabed. About an hour later, however, a giant tsunami swept across the mainland, overwhelming Japan's coastal defenses and Daiichi's safety perimeter. Though the ensuing damage caused nuclides to be released into the environment, scientists have found no evidence that this caused radiation-induced health effects. The accident galvanized the international community. A few days after the tsunami, a team of the IAEA experts flew to Japan to help engineers assess the damage, and the agency has continued to assist Japan over the past decade. Today, we are helping tackle the ongoing challenge of the water. Within just a few months of the accident, the IAEA had developed a comprehensive action plan to strengthen the global nuclear safety framework, and member states had endorsed it. Around the world, operators, engineers analyzed their nuclear reactors and made upgrades where they were necessary. Today, virtually all member states with nuclear power plants have completed stress tests, and many make use of the IAEA's expert peer review missions. An important lesson of Fukushima is that regulators must be strong, must be independent, and adequately resourced. A robust normative safety framework with the IAEA at its center is critically important. Because nuclear safety is not an end in itself. It is the means to an end. It is the key to nuclear power's expansion, and thus it is the key to nuclear meeting its biggest promise of all: the ability to help stabilize the climate while allowing economies and societies to thrive, fueled by safe, stable, and sustainable carbon-free energy.